Once I get co-host Attorney Soroki, I'll start putting people in breakout rooms.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Aaron, I'm going to send you a request to join a breakout room, and our House Counsel will be in shortly, okay?
Be okay. How do
You're
I?
going to see, did you see that request just pop up?
Yes, now, which I
Yes,
push,
please.
push
Join.
joining you. Join.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ms. Acosta, if you could please join breakout room 2. Hello, can I get your name, please, on the Samsung? Hello, person that just logged in, can I get your name, please?
That's Mr. Reed.
Oh, okay, thank you. There we go, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm here to back up Attorney Soroki. Is he in the courtroom?
He is in a breakout room, Attorney Reed, but I just sent you to another room.
I'm ready on Mr. David. Or Mr. Aaron. David, yeah.
Okay, it'll just be a moment.
No
Attorney
problem.
Soroki.
Okay.
Hi, officer. Can I get your name?
Hi, Officer Perkins, badge 4697.
You said Officer Perkins?
Yes,
And I'm sorry, your badge number again?
4697.
Thank you. And you're here on Alston?
Correct.
Thank you. Hello, on the iPhone 5, can I get your name, please? Can you unmute, please?
Hello,
Hi, can I get your name, please?
Sandra Asbell.
I'm sorry, Sandra Asbell?
Asbell. A-S-B like in boy, E-L-L.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I'm gonna send you a request to join breakout room 3. If you could go ahead and join. The attorney will be in with you shortly.
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Allen.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you, sir?
I'm okay.
Okay, could you go ahead and join breakout room 4 for me, please? And the attorney will be in with you in just a few minutes.
Okay.
Thank you. Attorney Reed, I sent you a request.
Thank you.
Yes.
Those files on top of cabinet, do they need to be filed?
Mhm.
Okay, I'll get those.
They should all have, things. Hi, Sergeant Morningstar.
Hello, ma'am.
You're here for Paul Allen?
Yes.
Okay. He has not checked in yet, but we can just do this real quick.
What's your name, sir?
Just gonna put his name next to yours, so I know which Allen, because there's two.
ALMAYYD. You have 134?
I'm not sure how long, the judge will wait, but I'm just gonna have you sit tight for a few.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on 1 second. This is Judge Holmes' courtroom.
Ready on Miss Isabel too also.
Hello, Alan.
Yes,
I've talked to two people and I have them in breakout rooms. I have Mr. Joshua Allen. He's
yeah, I
here
haven't talked to him yet. I have his offer though.
he has valid documentation on all three charges. He has a driver's license, he has proof of insurance, and he has a registration. Rosenthal will usually dismiss. I'm going to call Rosenthal up
Right.
and see if he'll recommend the dismissal on that.
Okay, that's fine.
I have Wanda Acosta in a breakout room. She's scheduled for trial, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, no registration, no
Right.
insurance.
Her
She-
offer, her offer is no insurance would be improper plates, no, and dismiss the other two tickets.
Okay, she has insurance and she has a registration. So I don't know what Matthew would do with that. Do we have
Well,
any political?
I don't know. I don't, you can ask Matthew, talk to him, see what he wants to do.
Okay, I see Sergeant Morningstar, and he's here on Paul Allen. Okay, and who else is here?
Paul
Okay.
Allen is a state case too. I don't know if Paul
Okay.
Allen is here or not, but his is a state case.
Okay, I see Officer Perkins, and he's here on the John Alston. So I don't
Okay,
see those defendants yet. Let me call Matthew up and
All right,
see if
go
he'll give
ahead.
me Attorney Soroki, I called Mr. Rosenthal, Attorney Rosenthal up, but I haven't gotten a response from him, so.
Okay. Let's see. Room 3.
Mr. Wade, I'm wrapping up my docket right now, okay?
Okay, I want to talk to you before we get on at 2.
Okay, let me wrap up and then I'll talk to
I
you.
know that you call me back. Okay.
Okay, all right, bye-bye. All right, are we ready to proceed? If not, I am ready.
Yes, Judge.
All right, let's do it. I am going to start with, here we go. I am going to start with, I have for my 1:30 docket, I'm calling trials for Jelana Abbott Sarden. Is Miss Abbott Sarden with us?
I haven't talked to her.
Miss
I
Mack,
haven't talked to her either, Your Honor.
did she check in?
Not that I know of.
All right, I'm calling case numbers SB 126-0634, counts 1 and 2. For Jelana Abbott Sarden, both of these matters were scheduled for trial. Defendant at 1:30, it's 1:55 p.m. Defendant has had ample time to check in. She's failed to do so. KPS will issue and the bond will be set at $75 cash or surety as to each matter. I have for Wanda Acosta. Is Miss Acosta with us?
Yes, she is, Judge. She is here.
Okay, she needs to turn on her camera. Where is she? I see her. All right. Very good.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. I have the following matters for you. I have SB 126-0803, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ma'am, state your name for me.
Yes, my name is Wanda Acosta.
All right, good afternoon to you. Do we have any officers that are here today?
I don't believe any officers have checked in, Judge. Judge, I'm gonna make a motion to dismiss. Mr. Rosenthal is calling me. Can I go mute for a minute?
Yes, I'm granting your motion for dismissal as to Ms. Acosta. Ms. Lurst, has any of the officers checked in yet?
Not on that case, Your Honor.
All right, your matters are dismissed, ma'am. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, ma'am. You as well.
Thank you.
Dismiss.
Please mute your phone until it's time for your case. Thank you so much. Give me 1 second, please.
Aaron, can you mute
All
your
right.
phone, please?
All right, I am ready on Joshua Allen. Is Mr. Allen with us?
That's one that, other counsel's been dealing with, wants to talk to, the prosecutor. So we can pass on that. I'm ready on David.
Judge,
Aaron.
Hold on, you all can't talk together. I'm sorry, what now?
Judge, I was on the phone with Attorney Rosenthal regarding Mr. Allen's case. Mr. Allen is here for a pretrial. He has 3 tickets. He showed me valid documentation. Attorney Rosenthal indicates it's okay to dismiss because of valid documentation. And I would put that on the record, Judge. I apologize, but he's calling me, giving me this information
All
from
right.
Mr. Allen.
No problem. Let me call the cases. SP 1260882, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Allen, Joshua Allen, please state your full name.
Joshua Allen.
All right, thank you, sir. There's a motion to dismiss your matters based on the representation made by your attorney to the prosecutor. So the matters are dismissed without prejudice. Thank you.
Thank you,
Your
Judge.
Honor.
He has valid documentation. Thank you.
All right, very good. Let's go to Paul Allen, the second, case number SX 393-80531, scheduled for trial at 1:30 or for formal hearing. I don't know.
He has not checked in to my knowledge, Judge.
All right, Miss, this looks like that is failing to stop an ID.
That's a state charge also, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. And so the defendant has not checked in. Miss Mack, I'm not Miss Mack, Miss Lurst, is that a civil infraction or a misdemeanor?
It is a misdemeanor, Your Honor, and Sergeant Morningstar is here on that matter.
Okay, Sergeant Morningstar, please place your name and badge number on the record for me.
Yes, ma'am. Sergeant J Morningstar, badge number 26.
Thank you. All right, the defendant has failed to appear. It's now 1:59. I've given enough time. I am going to issue a capias. And the bond will be set at $75 cash or surety. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, I have for Dejan Alston. Is Dejan Alston with us?
No, Judge, not to my knowledge.
Not to my knowledge either.
I have for Dejan Alston, SP 127-8501, counts 1 and 2. Both of these matters were scheduled for trial. Defendant has failed to appear. Capias will issue and the bond is set at $75,000 cash or surety as to each matter. I'm ready on Deidre Anderson. Anderson,
There was an
did Ms.
officer
Anderson
present.
appear? Anderson, I have case number SP. Please mute yourself until your case is called. SP 127-774-71, SP 127-775-01. These matters were scheduled for pretrial. Capias will issue. The bond will be set at $25 cash or surety as to each matter. For David Aaron, SP 126-99521. Did Mr. Aaron join us?
Yes, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of Mr. Aaron. Mr. Aaron, you need to unmute and state your name for the record, please.
Turn on your camera. I'll pass and I'll come back to it. I'm ready on Sandra Asbell, SP 127-12651. Ms. Asbell, state your full name for me.
Sandra Asbell.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to you.
Alan Soroki, P 37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Ms. Asbell wishes to continue her not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial.
All right, thank you. I'll set the matter for bench trial. Our date will be, Miss, can you give me 2 weeks from today's date? Ms. Lurs?
Yes, Your Honor. That would be September 23rd.
All right, your bench trial will be on September 23rd, 2022, and that's going to be at 10:45 a.m. Okay?
Okay,
Very good. I have for David
thank you.
Aaron. You're welcome. For David Aaron, where is Mr. Aaron? I'm gonna.
I spoke to him earlier, Your Honor.
I'm here.
There he is.
Thank
There he
you.
is.
I have case number SP 126-99521. Mr. Aaron, state your full name for me.
David Aaron.
Yes.
Thank you. How are we proceeding?
Alan Soroki, P 37441, appearing on behalf of Mr. Aaron. Mr. Aaron would like a 30-day adjournment of this matter to get his driver's license and bring it back, and hopefully have the matter dismissed at that time.
Okay, no, I can't give him a 30-day. I can't do 30 days.
14 days?
Yes, I can do 14 days. So you need to get moving. I will bring this back. I'll bring it back on September 27th, okay? I'll adjourn this to September 27th, 2022, and that will be at 10:00 a.m.
Okay.
Okay? All right, thank you. That concludes the docket. Did I miss anything?
That I see, Your Honor.
Good.
All right,
No
very
good.
good. Thank you all. I'm transitioning into another meeting. Thank you
Have a-
all.
Have a good
Enjoy
weekend,
enjoy
everybody.
your
Thank
weekend.
you.
All right,
Be
thank
safe.
you. Bye-bye. All
Bye-bye.
right, everybody. I'm ready to go transition to the meeting. All right. Thank you all for your patience and to wrap up court. Mr. Wade, did you still need to speak with me?
Oh, wow, mine is all messed up. Yes, I do, Judge, if you could. Ooh, what's going
You all
on?
give me just 1 second. Mr. Wade, can you call me at the 54691?
Yep,
Okay, thank you. Give me just 1 second, everybody.
Hello, Mr. Morgan, Miss Cleveland, Miss.
Hey, Mr. Reed.
Is this a meeting for me or is it just for the case managers?
No, it's not for you. You good to go.
Oh, okay. It's not for me. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Have a good weekend.
Thank you. You all be safe.
You too.
Oh, wait, I have to turn my volume back on. Okay, can you all hear me?
Sure can.
Oh, very good. All right, let's do it. Thank you all. I know it's Friday and it's 2:00, but we have been, last year, we never did get together after our conference or what have you. It's my understanding that everybody has a copy of the master document of takeaways from our conference.
Nah, we don't have no master copy.
Oh,
You have the copy that you submitted, what you typed up for yourself and submitted?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we all have those.
We have that, but we had talked about just
Putting it
making
in
full
one
copies so we all knew, we'll be
Yeah.
able to visually see.
Yeah. But what happened was they're so long to put all those together because a lot of the average one is like 2 pages long that everyone did.
but to cut and paste it into one document and clean it up to where it's just a master document.
We could do it, but it's kind of hard because people didn't do bullets. People did
Oh.
paragraphs, long paragraphs. They didn't
Oh.
do bullets.
Not notes.
Okay,
Yeah, they didn't do it like that. I mean, it's some really good information.
okay.
But it's like one person's got 5 full pages and it's all narratives and paragraphs. So it was kind of difficult to put into bullets. But one thing's for sure, you can tell that they were really into it because it's a lot of in-depth information that people submitted. They submitted them like, like reports.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, Mr. Wade, our next meeting, we want to make sure we have our attorneys, everybody who went to the conference,
Mhm.
that we get them in on it, because I know Jessica Warfield said she had a number of things that she wanted to bring
Mhm.
back to the team that she learned at the conference. It was very enlightening for her.
Yeah, she did say that, as well as Earlene Griffin and Eddie Killing.
Yes.
They all were super thrilled. The challenge is going to be getting everyone. The challenge is going to be getting everyone to be available at the same time. It is more challenging than I thought. So hopefully we can get everybody at the same time. If not, we'll be in smaller segments like we are now. I think the only time that we can get 15 people together at one time is when we're literally away at the conference.
Okay. Well, then our next meeting, maybe we'll open it up. We'll do it with the attorneys to get this,
Yes.
some of their feedback, and
then
we'll just have to
providers.
cross communicate.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
we do the best we can to do it.
Yeah, and if people are available, additional people are available to come, you can come. All right, I don't want to hold you all up a whole lot. So, Mr. Wade, I believe you said you may have had some housekeeping items.
Yes, a few things, and I'll speak with Samaje about how certainly he can help. But I want everybody to understand that we receive a lot of money through grants. And I never became so educated about grants until coming on board here and learning how they work. But one thing that I know for sure is that the expenditures of the money has to be or can be heavily scrutinized. And so when we get invoices, I know for sure we get invoices from Global Supervision. That's that monitoring thing that you all look at the phones. I need a little feedback on how that's going, because people send us invoices and then we just say, okay, pay them. And what I'm finding out is a lot of times they're not accurate. And I need the input from you all to look at it and say, yes, these 10 people did do this, or they got this, or that, and this is accurate. Because I don't want anything coming back on us. And you're the ones that know. I don't know all the ones that's on Global Supervision. I don't know all the ones that's taking these needs assessment. When we say, go ahead, we're going to cover drug tests, and then I get a bill back, I'm not going to just say, okay, pay it, because I need you all as a case manager to say, yeah, we asked for these many tests to be covered. It can't be willy-nilly, because my John Hancock is going on that. And all of those expenditures are subject to audit. So I don't know how you all want to manage keeping up with the records of it. And I don't want to increase your workload, but I'm finding out that some of the invoices, they were inappropriately charging us. They were charging us for a number of people that wasn't even on there. A lot of people seem to think, because we're the largest district court in the state, that we have just all of this pot of money. I get calls every day that somebody wants to be a part of this. One lady just told me, look, I need to stay open. I need you to take my people. It just simply can't work like that. So when it comes to invoices, if you get an email and it's saying invoice, I really need you to look at it and give me a yay or nay with respect to the accuracy of the invoices. Please help me out with that. I really need that. We don't have to talk about it now, but please keep it at the forefront, because I assured Jonathan Williams that we were going to talk about this, and he continues to knock at my door. He just needs some guidance on after hours, weekends, and holidays. When we have somebody that's totally acting out, he doesn't want to just put them out in the street and then we got to go get them. So the closest thing to a viable option so far that the judge and I discussed, and Michelle Bomer, is that when they go there, we do a commitment to jail. And it's a certain way that we have to do that. Captain Johnson will go and get the person from the residential treatment place and take them to the Wayne County Jail, and the Wayne County Jail will take them. So we could come back to that talk, but I wanted to stay under the radar so that I don't want Jonathan Williams feeling that they just out there and they got to fight for themselves when it happens. I know we did a lot talking about communication at the team building exercise that we had with Pierre Quinn, which was such an awesome day for me. So in terms of communication, what I want to discuss is, I think we can do even better with our communication as a team by letting us know as a team if we're not going to be here, if we're going to come in late, if we're going to leave early. That way the whole team can be prepared to handle any responsibilities that come up. I know we're used to being here all the time, but like Rhonda unexpectedly is out and she's getting a lot of calls. I had to immediately put somebody on that, because the first person they call is Rhonda. If Rhonda's not here, I believe some of the courtrooms panicked, because I had one the other day, Toshi Cleveland helped me out. The first thing they were saying is, we can't get anybody. We've been trying to get somebody for drug court. Well, I know that wasn't the case, because we all was here. We couldn't get anybody. We tried calling, we tried. We just need to know and communicate with each other. Who's here, who's not here, who has to come in late, who has to leave early, just so that we can keep that covered, because they've gotten spoiled and they're used to us, being at their beck and call. And I don't have a problem with that. I want to continue to do that, so they have faith in us and they know that when they call that we're going to answer. But thank you, Toshi, for helping me out that day. I forget what courtroom it was, but that's the first thing they said before they said hello. We can't get anybody. So I just want to reiterate that. And I'll let each group know as we talk about this. Now, the next conference, everybody knows in Houston, it's almost the same layout. It's the departure date is Sunday, June 25th. Just like this one was on a Sunday, it's the same layout. It's from Sunday to Wednesday. So you can start planning for next year in June. And as we get closer to the date, and I've already met with Nicole O'Day, but as we get closer to the dates, we want to just
Hold on.